G'day mates, how's it going? I'm Mr. GT, welcome to the channel. Today you find me at Homemaker and we're going to be walking around and filming the second half of what's here. Because there's too many cars to film in one video and people get sick of watching 1 hour long videos, so I'm going to start making them in 2 videos. So, grab that nice icy cold beer, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Subaru. Lots of cars. Tonight's video is brought to you by my sponsors Aussie Loans and Coolwheels. They are great people to sit down and have a chat with if you are in the market to buy a classic or muscle car. They also specialise in new and used cars, boats, bikes and any commercial equipment. They will provide you through the loans process, and it is important to them that the job is done well and that you are very happy with the service. A great bunch of guys, I've spoken to them. They are real easy to chat with. Aussie Loans and Coolwheels, there'll be a link in the description below. A beast of a Chevy in a station wagon. How big is this car, eh? Wow. It's massive. Ford Mustang in a beautiful maroon colour. We also have another Chevy Bel Air. So just give you another look at that. Look at that, eh? What a colour. And then have a look at the Chevy's engine.
Jack, look at that!
It's even got a block. Oh no, it's not. That's a big alternator. Sick.
Is it pink?
Need the power.
Yes,
Oh, yes, it is.
Chevy Bel Air next to the one I was filming, the pink and the white one. This one's lowered to the max. In fact, it's a lowrider. Yes, sir. And a beautiful Tirana in a brown, shiny colour. We've got a bit of a half the bonnet's up, so we'll. Yes, indeed. Look at that engine, huh? Why? Yes, sir. Tirana GTR XU1. Check it out. Beautiful. Another 1957 Chevy 2-door. Another immaculate one. Sick. Another Holden. Looks like it's just been wearing out. I don't think it's been restored. Nice. And of course, another red Commodore. Another blower. The nice, beautiful green Tirana with the big wheels on the back, looking sweet. And we have a beautiful XT next to it. Standard, beautiful. Check out this mint Holden, ladies and gents. 62 bottle, for sale, in mint condition. There's the number. If it, a lovely beast. I've got to film this car. This is my friend Stephen's car. She's a beauty. HSV, Commodore, Club Sport R8. Check out the wheels, huh? Love it. Beautiful interior. Check it out, eh? Love to have one of these. She's a beauty. He would have only just rolled in not too long ago. But look at that, huh? Looks sick. Yes, indeed. Yeah, this is the nice model. Not that I don't like the one before it, the VEs, but I like the touch with the air scoops on the bonnet on these later model ones. Beautiful. Very nice. Check out the exhaust on the back, huh? Sick. Alright, we come back to the Rotary. This one's immaculate as well. Check out the paint job on that, huh? Nice clean engine bay.
Check out underneath it.
And apparently it's fully immaculate underneath as well. Hope I'm getting on. I can't bend over too much. I'm getting old now. Yes, indeed. What a beauty. Full immaculate. Let's have a look at the boot as well, since it's up. Yes, sir. This car's been done perfectly. Look at that. Sick. All the chrome bits, everything. The wheels, the badges. All immaculate. Even the interior, look at that. Sick. Fine example, another clubby coming in. HSV. As we continue with the veal on this side, nice and clean.
You just got to be
looking good. Ford Mustang, 5 litre. Check out the engine in that. I'll just film these bikes. While we're at it, just do a little walk by.
Then we go in these other many cages of house.
Check out this Kingswood, ladies and gents. Just a bit of info on the car if you want to pause the video and have a read. This thing's immaculate. Just wearing out normally, I would say. I don't think it's been restored. Looking mighty fine. Listen to this beast, ladies and gents. Yes, indeed, the panel van 351. No mucking around. A beautiful grey colour. The whole ground is shaking. Yes, sir. Check out this Monaro, ladies and gents. GTS. Beautiful car. And of course a 1955 Chevy in the immaculate sort of a crimson colour, I'd say. And next to it is a 56 Chevy, beautiful red and white, sick. And another one next to it in black, shining like a star. And we've got this beautiful Holden as well, in mint condition. As a Sylvia rolls in. A beefy Ford Mustang in red and silver. Looking nice and clean. And of course another beastie one next to it in blue and white, and he's got some massive wheels on the back of that. Check this out, the Shelby. Big engine, looking sick. Look at that. Nice. As the BMW rolls in as well. Commodore SS in a white diamond colour, shining nicely. And another Commodore in grey, looking mean and tough with a matte finish. Ford Mustang, cream colour, looking sweet. Let's have a look at this engine. And let's have a look at this engine as well. Yeah, we've seen that one before with the gun. Not the gun, the rifle I should say. Nice. Another SS Commodore. Beautiful. Have another beauty in orange. And another one rolling in silver. There you go. Looking sweet. Yes, this orange is nice. Check out the engine.
No.
You get a photo taken of it?
Nice dado here. Beautiful. Check out this Toronto, ladies and gents. Have a look at the engine. Nice and clean. Check out this Jap spec beast, ladies and gents. Those wheels look sick, and the black and those gold touches make the car look wild.
Hey, Mr. GT. Hey, what's up?
How are you? Want to say hello?
Yeah, hi, what's up? I saw you at the Fast and Furious car show.
Yeah, that's right. Check out this Mint XP, ladies and gentlemen, Ford. Immaculate. And of course, beautiful Fair Lady Z. Sick. Ladies and gents, we've got one of my subscribers here. How you going, lad?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. Check out this wild sounding Commodore rolling in, ladies and gents. A nice cammy sound. Beefy. Ford Fairlane, ladies and gentlemen, we've got music playing. I've got to talk over it. Otherwise, we're going to have to mute it again. Got a beautiful Capri right next to it. Check this out, ladies and gents. Nice big V8 engine in it. Look at that. Sick. And of course, a Nissan GTR. Lovely. Yes, sir. Check out the engine. Beautiful. Got another Commodore over here. Engine up. Just trying to get out of here as fast as I can with the music. All the party animals are here. Check out this white Commodore. Yes, sir. And of course the Sylvia. Looking sweet. And the Toyota, yes indeed. We've got a few guys dancing around here, yes sir. Check that out. Beautiful. Check out this Chevy, ladies and gentlemen. Looking wild as, yes sir. Just got to get away from this music, blah 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 blah. Yes. And another one over here. Looking sweet indeed. As we come over to another Mustang. Yes, indeed. Check these out. And XYGT. Got the bonnet up. Have a look at that engine. Yes, sir. The XR8. Just looking sweet. Check it out, Got the big engine.
How you going, Mr. GT?
Pretty well, thanks. How are you? Is this yours?
Yeah, mate. We've been a few times.
Mate, she's a beauty, this one.
Oh, cheers, mate.
How long you had it for?
Since 05.
05?
Yeah, mate.
Mate, that's quite a while.
Long-term build, about 12-year building it.
And did you actually restore the car?
Every nut and bolt.
Beautiful.
Built the engine as well. And so,
Can we have any power figures?
not yet.
Not yet? Okay.
Yeah, I haven't really I've just been like the seat of my pants on the street.
Yep.
Just enjoying it and ironing out all the creases over the last, since 2018. So,
That's it. Perfect.
Yeah, full street car. I get it out as much as I can.
Mate, she's a beauty.
Thanks, mate.
Take a little walk around and film it. G'day, lads. Yeah, for sure. Hey, hold on. Get a chance to get the Chrysler in there, as we don't get many of these on the show. And she's a beauty as well, a beautiful example. Check it out. Lovely. Check out this Commodore, ladies and gents. What a beauty, And of course a GTR XU1. Immaculate, look at the paint on it, And a SS Commodore in a beautiful silver colour, shining like crazy. Check out this beautiful SLR 5000, ladies and gents, in the green. And there's another beauty next to it, in yellow. You can have a look at the wheels. And you can have a look at the wheels on this side too. Nice. Check out this Holden, immaculate condition. I'll film these from the back as there's quite a few people on the other side. The Kia Optima. And we've got a Hemi over here, SUV. Looking wild. We are recording. Ford XC, look at this. Full clean, immaculate. Very nice. And look at that, Lovely. Holden Ute in a beautiful red shiny colour. Check it out. Nice. Corolla. So even these cars, like, we didn't think of much of them once upon a time, but now you start to appreciate them. Even they've got a presence here. XB Coupe. Check out the engine, the John Goss Special. Very nice. I think we saw this roll in earlier. Bonnet's up. Let's have a look. Nice. And a beautiful Chevy station wagon. WRX in orange. Veal Calais, looking wild with the Simmons. Another Commodore, beautiful red colour. And I've got a hot rod.
Got the horsepower electric.
How are you, lads?
Love it.
Going? All good? Good. That's the way. One of the subscribers. Love it. And check out this XY GT in a green. And of course a tough looking Ford. Suzuki Swift. And of course, we have a Sylvia. Check out this Hyundai, ladies and gents. Looking nice and mean. Beautiful. Got a Sylvia in white. We may get to have a look at the engine. Check it out. A bit of a sneak peek under there. Nice. Look at that setup, ladies and gents. What a beauty, yeah? Yes, sir. Love it. Thank you. And we've got a Tirana in blue. And this one here has fuel injection engine in it. Looking immaculate. Let's have a look at the boot too, since it's open, of course. Oh yes, look at that, eh? Look at the leather, luxury. Oh yes, love it. How nice is that, huh? We can have a look at the interior too, because that, yes, look at that, all nice. Looks like it's brand new. Beautiful leather, love it. This video was brought to you by our sponsors, Aussie Loans, classic car finance made easy, and Coolwheels, an easy way to buy or sell a car. Alright ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your support. Don't forget to pound the subscribe button, punch that notification bell, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.